Hi everyone. Check this out. This is where I am. So I decided to go to the post office because I had a swap I'm doing. Excuse me. I have a cough drop in my mouth, so I'm starting to like... Anyway, this is my current conditions where I'm located here in North Carolina. Let me see if I can get you a better viewpoint. I'm trying to center this for you. Hang on. Hang on. Yeah, I'm trying to center this so you guys can see what my view is. So I just left my post office. I'm driving home. This is the current conditions here in North Carolina where I am located. The roads are completely covered with snow, probably at least 3 inches, maybe 4 or 5 by now. We probably have about 4 or 5 inches, I would say. Anyway, I usually, when I say something, I try my best to do it. And I'm in a junk journaling swap with several ladies, and I told them that I would get my journal out today. So regardless of whether I'm at the post office, and now I'm heading home. So I did drop off the junk journal, but as you can see, traffic is very minimal. The roads are very bad. This is where I'm at. This is where I'm going. I'm heading to my house. I'll just be quiet and drive because the roads are bad and slick. But I thought I'd share. This is what North Carolina, Charlotte area is receiving. It's all out snow. It's not a typical normal thing for snow here in North Carolina. I'm not in the mountains. I'm not near like Asheville, Boone. I'm not out there. So this is not normal weather for North Carolina in the winter time. So yeah, let's just take it easy. You gotta slow down. But I did stop. I went to the post office. And this is my view. So I'm just going to take it easy and go very slow to get home. In some areas it seems like a whiteout. I mean, you can see ahead of me. You can see the road. But there's no plows. There's nobody out cleaning these roads. The roads are loaded with snow and ice. We have an all-out snowstorm. Good times, not. I moved away from Buffalo, New York because I didn't like snow. I was raised and born in Buffalo, but I'm being honest, I don't like snow. I mean, it is what it is. I was gonna work today, but after seeing all this weather, absolutely not. My butt is staying in the house at home. Not gonna drive. Maybe I'll go on TikTok later. Instead, hang out with my buddies on TikTok. Try to sell some pens and keychains. I'm not driving in this all day. Absolutely not. This is the weather. A little earlier, I saw a car that went off the road, and a tow truck just picked it up on one of the side streets off this route. Literally, a car went off the road. So sad. I don't know if the person broke down or if they just skidded off the road. I don't know. But I'm praying I get home safe. I'm about 10 minutes away from home. I'm just doing what? 25 miles per hour? I'm literally driving 25 miles per hour. Yeah, I know. My wiper blades, they make the worst noise. They're new blades, believe it or not. But it's because there's nothing really hitting my windshield because I'm moving, so. Now this honestly is so pretty. Look how pretty it is. Just to see it, it's so pretty. But I hate being in it. I hate getting wet by it. I hate having to wear boots. I hate having to bundle up and all kinds of layers. I hate it all. I'm sorry, but I just dislike it. It's pretty. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely pretty. But it's not for me. No, thank you. Mother Nature at full swing here. All right, you get the gist. Have a good day, y'all. Stay warm. Be safe. God bless you.